Hi, welcome to Utilitarian TV. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the issue of storage space running out. So let's get started. Utilitarian TV. It is so annoying seeing that issue on the notification bar. So how do we fix this? Open on the Google File Manager. Then click on Clean. Then delete all the junk files that are available. After deleting all the junk files, go to ES File Explorer. Click on SD card analyst. Then delete all the folder that is useless. For example, this folder with .thumbnail is useless, so we should delete it to free up more space. The next thing to do is to clear app cache. Cache files are those files that take up space. Since those files are useless, you need to clean them so that you can free up more space. Click on Storage and select all applications. Then select which application take up more space. For example, we have the Adobe Reader here. I will check to see if this application have more cache files. I'll click on Storage to see that this application has more cache files, as you can see. Then I'll click on Clear Cache. So you can also do the same procedure for the remaining application that you think it take up more space than required, so that you can free up more space. And in case if you need to clear data, you can also do that. But know that clearing the data will make you lose all the application details that you've already stored. So be very careful before you clear up data. Cache files are the recommended data that you can clear up in order to free up space. That is all for this video. If you enjoy watching this video, please kindly click the like button, share and also drop your comment. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in my next video. Goodbye.